Hello, my little stars! Welcome back to another fun episode of Tiny Talk Time. I'm Miss Lily, and with me is my favorite student, Leo.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here again. Miss Lily, today I brought something delicious with me.
Really? Ooh, I'm curious now. What is it, Leo?
It's a banana, my favorite fruit. I love bananas.
That's wonderful. Today's episode is called My Favorite Food, and we'll learn how to talk about what we like and don't like in English.
Oh, like when I say, I like bananas.
Exactly. I like bananas. Everyone listening, repeat after Leo. I like bananas.
I like bananas.
Great job. Now let's learn some more fruits. Leo, what about apples? Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples. They're crunchy and sweet.
Very good. I like apples. Now let's try another one. Do you like oranges?
Yes, I love orange juice. I like oranges.
Perfect. What about strawberries?
Yes, I like strawberries. They're yummy and red.
You're doing amazing, Leo. Now, let's learn how to say when we don't like something. Ready?
Ready?
Okay, listen carefully, little stars. When you don't like a food, you say, I don't like. For example, I don't like lemons.
Yeah, they're so sour. I don't like lemons.
Exactly. Now let's practice together. Leo, do you like broccoli?
No, I don't like broccoli. It tastes funny.
That's okay. Not everyone likes the same foods. So you can say, I don't like broccoli.
I don't like broccoli, but I like carrots.
That's perfect. You can say, I like carrots.
I like carrots.
Beautiful. Now, let's play a quick game. I'll say a food, and you tell me if you like it or not, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Apples.
I like apples.
Broccoli.
I don't like broccoli.
Pizza.
Oh, I love pizza. I like pizza.
Lemons.
I don't like lemons.
Strawberries.
I like strawberries.
Bravo, Leo. You did amazing. And you, my little listeners, are you playing along at home? Try to say what foods you like and don't like. Now, Leo, let's make a list of our favorite foods. Can you tell me 3 foods you really like?
Sure. I like bananas, pizza, and carrots.
Delicious choices. I like apples, strawberries, and salad.
Salad? Really?
Yes, really. It's fresh and healthy. You can say, I like salad.
I like salad. Okay, maybe I'll try.
Good boy. Now let's talk about breakfast. What do you eat in the morning, Leo?
For breakfast, I eat bread and drink milk. I like milk.
Wonderful. And I drink tea in the morning. I like tea.
But I don't like coffee. It's bitter.
That's a good sentence. I don't like coffee.
I don't like coffee.
Perfect pronunciation, Leo. You're getting so good at English. Now, little stars, let's repeat some of today's phrases together. Ready?
Ready?
I like apples.
I like apples.
I like bananas.
I like bananas.
I don't like lemons.
I don't like lemons.
Wonderful! You're all doing so well.
Lily, Miss Lily, can we sing a food song?
That's a great idea. Let's make one together. Miss Lily and Leo singing. I like apples sweet and red. I like bananas before bed. I like pizza, it's so round. I don't like lemons, too sour a sound.
That was fun.
Yes, learning English is even better when we sing and smile.
Miss Lily, can we do a food challenge next time? Like, guess the food in English?
That's a brilliant idea, Leo. We can call it the Mystery Food Challenge.
Yay! I can't wait!
And to everyone listening, try saying your favorite foods in English today. You can even tell your parents, Mom, I like apples, or Dad, I don't like lemons.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
Exactly. English can be fun and tasty. Thank you for joining us today, my little stars. Don't forget to subscribe and listen to the next episode of Tiny Talk Time.
Bye-bye, everyone. And don't forget, eat your fruits and practice your English.
See you next time.